Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avi's and Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a famous Indian dish misal pav in Hamare style. It's famous mainly in Maharashtra and it's very spicy and tasty one. Wow! Feel like to eat. Let me show you how to do it. So let's start. First, take oil in a pan. For misal, we have to take more oil as it will give nice texture at end and also spiciness. Once oil becomes hot, add onions. Toss it for 1 to 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now add tomato. Toss it for few seconds. Then add ginger garlic paste. Turmeric powder, red chilli powder, as per spiciness you want. Garam masala powder, salt as per taste. Mix it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add water. We need more water as we need more gravy for this. Now mix it. Once water boils, add soaked moong into it. We have soaked this moong in a water overnight before using it. Now mix it. And cover with a lid. Let it boil for 20 to 25 minutes on a low flame. The more you will cook, the more it will become tasty. Wow! You can see how nicely it cooked. Oil layer is just floating on top. Our moong is also nicely cooked. So here is our spicy misal. It's ready. Now take 2 pav or bread and fry them on a pan without oil. If you like to eat hot toast pav or bread. or you can eat it normally also with our misal. Fry them nicely from both the sides. Now our pav is also ready. Now let us make our misal plate to eat. So take misal in a bowl. You can add oil layer on top of it. It will make misal more spicy. Take some mixture which is available in all sweet shops. Now add this mixture in a gravy and eat with a pav. Add some fried papad, onions, and last sweet to eat to end our spicy dish. We hope you enjoyed our recipe. So do try our recipe and tell us your feedback in the comments. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.